In this video lesson, you will discover a canon of human body proportions that is taught in leading art academies of Russia.
Human Body Proportions, Canon 3, by Vladimir London. In this video, we will continue discovering different canons of human body proportions. The major measuring unit will be the height of the head, which is marked here in yellow. The length of the breastbone equals the height of the face. The distance from the pit of the neck to the bottom edge of the ribcage is twice the size of 2/3 of the head. The distance from the pit of the neck to the end of the breastbone is equal to the distance from the breastbone to the top of the pelvis, and it is the same as from the top of the pelvis to the pubic bone. Each of these dimensions is equal to the height of the face. The distance from the hip joint to the knee joint is twice the height of the head. The distance from the knee joint to the ground is also 2 times greater than the head's height. The most common standing pose is the Contrapposto. In such a pose, the body weight is supported by one leg, while the other leg is relaxed. Let's check how this affects construction and proportions. The axis of the supporting leg is tilted from its normal position. In turn, the pelvis is shifted, and also it is tilted diagonally. This diagonal inclination happens because the center of the body's weight is over the supporting leg footprint. This animation shows what happens to the construction of the lower body in Contrapposto. To compensate the tilt of the pelvis, the spinal column is laterally curved. The line of the 2 knees follows the tilt of the pelvis. The length of the foot is slightly bigger than the head's height. Here's a good tip when drawing an arm resting on the hip. First, draw the hand, and then add the forearm to avoid misplacement of the hand. Here is another drawing of a figure in the Contrapposto. This time I added muscles outlines. Take those proportions as suggestions of what to measure, and see how your model deviates from those measurements.